Here's the new project. A 1957 Willys CJ5. It's in pretty bad shape from the body, but the engine is running and the powertrain is good. So looks like we probably have a bad valve cover gasket because there's oil on the block. Probably needs a bit of a tune-up. No signs of coolant leaking anywhere, so that's good. It has the hydraulic pump for a snowplow blade. Not sure if I'll keep that. The body's in bad shape, but we'll just have to deal with that. Frame's in good shape except for that rear cross member. Take a little bit of work to do with the leaf springs back here. So we'll get it down in the workshop and start taking it apart.